Not many people know what's in the water they're drinking. There could be harmful substances that affect your health that you might not know that you're consuming. I'm here to inform you of the dangerous substances that you could be drinking. My name is Gianna Cataloni, and this is Experiment 1, What's in the Water. The purpose of What's in the Water was to determine what functional groups were in the unknown substance and then to eventually determine what molecule our substance was. IR, infrared spectroscopy, and NMR, nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy, was found in order to determine what the substance was. IR spectroscopy measures the amount of electromagnetic radiation that is absorbed by a sample. In IR, the absorption of a photon in the infrared region leads to an increase in the energy of a molecule vibration. The more complex a molecule, the more vibrations and hydrogen atoms it will have, and the more absorption peaks it will have. NMR spectroscopy measures the amount of electromagnetic radiation that is absorbed by a sample. In NMR, the absorption of a photon in the radio frequency region leads to excitation of a hydrogen nucleus. The more complex the molecule, the more vibrations and hydrogen atoms it will have, and the more absorption peaks it will have. In this experiment, IR and NMR spectroscopy were found in order to determine what molecules the substance was. To find the IR spectroscopy, the unknown substances were placed onto the glass plate, and this was then placed into the Nicolet IS5 spectrometer. The graph for this unknown substance was printed out so it could be compared to the graph 4.2 in a laboratory manual. To find the NMR spectroscopy, the unknown substance was placed into the EFT60 spectrometer. The graph for this unknown substance was printed out so then it could be compared to the graph 4.3 in the laboratory manual. This table is Table 1, and it shows the different functional groups that are in each molecule. Table 2 shows the number of peaks in the ratio of areas that are in each molecule. To find the number of peaks in the ratio of area, the NMR graph is required. In this graph, the functional groups are shown. For the unknown substance number 69, I found this substance to have functional groups of carbon singly bonded to hydrogen and carbon singly bonded to bromine. In this graph, the number of peaks and the ratio of areas are shown. The number of peaks is 2 and the ratio of areas is 3 to 1. Table 3 is showing the different functional groups that were found in the unknown substance number 69. Carbon singly bonded to hydrogen and carbon singly bonded to bromine were found in this substance. Table 4 is showing the number of peaks in the ratio of area of the unknown substance number 69. The number of peaks is 2 and the ratio of area is 3 to 1. In this experiment, we were given 3 unknown substances and used IR and NMR spectrum to find out what molecules the substances were. In the first substance, number 69, the molecule that was found was 1,2-dibromo-2-methylpropane. To determine that the functional groups matched, the IR graph was examined and they showed up as carbon singly bonded to hydrogen and carbon singly bonded to bromine. This matches the functional groups for 1,2-dibromo-2-methylpropane. The number of peaks in the ratio of area were compared to see if these matched. The number of peaks was 2 and the ratio of area was 3 to 1, which matched 1,2-dibromo-2-methylpropane. For substance number 69, I found this substance to have 2 peaks, a ratio of areas of 3 to 1, a carbon singly bonded to hydrogen, and a carbon singly bonded to bromine, which matches the peaks, areas of ratios, and functional groups of 1,2-dibromo-2-methylpropane. With all this information, substance number 69 is 1,2-dibromo-2-methylpropane. There are severe health cautions if you were to come in contact with 1,2-dibromo-2-methylpropane. The U.S. National Library of Medicine states that it can cause skin irritation, eye irritation, and can be dangerous if swallowed. It is also harmful if it is inhaled. It can cause respiratory irritation and can cause cancer, but has no known environmental factors. Always be cautious of what you're putting in your body because you never know what could really be in the water you're drinking. These are my references. Thank you.